We were looking for someone that encompassed everything, including, the design aspect, really helping us pick out the fixtures and just down to every detail, which I feel like you don't always find with everybody. Our first meeting at that time was with Don DeSantis, and he is just so organized, and from the moment I met him, I knew that that was the person that I wanted to work with. We knew by the time we got to the project, every little thing that was going to happen. We knew down to the doorknobs, down to everything. So before the first nail went in the wall, we knew exactly what we were getting. There was no question mark on the product, the finishes, what it was going to look like. We knew before that first nail went in what our pricing was. We would highly recommend them. We've been very pleased. I mean, to us, it's like a dream, and they have filled it. Between the kitchen, which is just a completely different space, and our bathroom, now it is stunning. We're just so very happy, so we absolutely would recommend them fully.